Hello students, in this video we are going to study divided difference. When the values of the argument we have given at unequal spaced interval, then the various differences will also be affected by the changes in the values of the argument. The difference of the function values with respect to the difference of argument are called divided difference. So the first divided difference for argument x0, x1 is f of x0, x1, which is equal to first divided differences for x1 and x0. This is in notation, which is equal to in square bracket or interval x0, x1, which is equal to, what is the definition? The difference of the function values with respect to the difference of argument means difference of function values means f of x1, which is nothing but y1, minus f of x0, which is nothing but y0, upon x1 minus x0. Similarly, f of x1, x2, which is equal to first divided difference for argument x2 and f of x1, which is equal to x1, x2, which is equal to, here is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and so on. This is first divided difference. Now we will discuss second divided difference. Second divided difference. For second divided difference, we require three arguments. For x0, x1, x2 is given by f of x0, x1, x2, which is equals to in square bracket x0, x1, x2, okay, which is equals to x1, x2 in square bracket minus x0, x1 upon x2 minus x0, which is equal to, okay. Again put the formulas of this, then what we will get? No need of it, keep it as it is. Next, this is a second divided difference. What is the formula? Which is equal to in square bracket x1, x2 minus x0, x1 upon x2 minus x0, and so on. Okay. Next is the third divided difference. For x0, x1, x2, x3 is given by f of x0, x1, x2, x3, which is equal to in square bracket x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3, which is equal to x1 x2 x3 x1 x2 x3 minus x0 comma x1 comma x2 upon x3 minus x0 and so on. Okay. Next is n divided difference. From this we can write down general formula for n divided differences is f of x0, x1, x2 and so on up to xn, which is equals to x0, x1 and so on up to xn, which is nothing but, see here, in this is x1, x2, x3. So here you will get in square bracket x1, x2 and so on up to xn minus. Next is x0, x1, x2. So here you will get x0, x1 up to xn minus 1 term. x0, comma x1 and so on up to xn minus 1 upon, here is x3 minus x0. So here is xn minus x0. These are the formulas for divided differences. Okay. Next we will see properties of divided difference. Properties of divided difference. Properties of divided difference. Okay. First property is divided differences are symmetric with respect to the argument. Divided differences are symmetric with respect to argument. Means x0 comma x1 is equal to x1 comma x0. Also x0 comma x1 comma x2, which is equal to x1 comma x2 comma x0, which is equal to x2 comma x0 comma x1. Okay. Second is the nth divided difference. The nth divided difference of a polynomial of nth degree are constant. Nth divided difference of a polynomial of nth degree are constant. Let f of x is equal to a0 xn plus a1 xn minus 1 plus and so on up to an minus 1 into x plus an be a polynomial of degree n provided a0 is not equal to 0 and the arguments are equally spaced and the arguments are equally spaced, so that arguments are equally spaced means x1 minus x0 is equals to x2 minus x1 is equals to, and so on, is equals to xn minus 1 is equals to h. Means if you have x0, x1, x2 and so on up to xn minus 1 and xn arguments, then the difference between x1 minus x0, x2 minus x1 is equal, and it is h. The first divided difference, x0 comma x1 is equals to, by definition, y1 minus y0 upon x2 minus x0. You know that this is the definition of delta y0 upon x2 minus x0 is here. We have given that it is h. Okay. Second divided difference. x0 comma x1 comma x2 is equal to. Now, what is the formula of this? Formula is x1 comma x2 minus in square bracket x0 comma x1 upon x2 minus x0. Okay. Now, here what is the formula of this? It is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, but here x2 minus x1 is h, minus y1 minus y0 upon, again x1 minus x0 is h, upon x2 minus x0 is, see here, this difference is h, this h, so x2 minus x0 is 2h, which is equal to, this is what? This is delta y1 minus, this is delta y0 upon, this is h, this is 2h upon 1. When it 2h go to numerator, it becomes 2 into h square. Okay. And this is the formula of delta square of y0 upon 2h square, and 2 which is equals to 1 upon 2 factorial delta square y0 into h square. 2 can be written as 2 factorial. Okay. Therefore, x0 comma x1 comma x2 and so on xn is equals to, we get 1 upon n factorial into h raised to n into delta raised to n y0, because here is x0, x1, x2, so here we get 1 upon 2 factorial. That's why here is 1 upon n factorial h square, so here h raised to n and delta raised to n of y0. Since function is of nth degree polynomial, delta raised to n y0 is equal to constant. Because nth divided difference of a polynomial of nth degree are always constant. Okay. Next we will see relation between divided difference and ordinary difference. Relation between divided difference and ordinary differences. Let the argument x0, x1, x2 and so on up to xn be equally spaced. With interval difference h. Okay. Now first divided difference for argument x0, x1 given by first divided difference for x0 and x1, which is equal to in square bracket x0 comma x1, which is equal to y1 minus y0. y1 means f of x1 minus f of x0 upon x1 minus x0, which is nothing but f of x0 plus h minus f of x0 upon h, because here we have taken interval of difference h. So x1 is nothing but x0 plus h. We know that this is the definition of delta of f of x0 upon h. This is the definition of delta of f of x0. Second divided difference. Be given as second divided difference x1 comma x2 f of x0, which is equal to x0 comma x1 comma x2, which is equal to 1 upon x2 minus x0 f of x1 comma x2 minus f of x0 comma x1. Okay. Which is equal to f of x1 comma x2. First divided difference, which is nothing but this is x2 minus x0 is 2h. This is f of x2 minus f of x1 upon x2 minus x1 by definition of first divided difference, minus f of x1 minus f of x0 upon x1 minus x0, which is equal to 1 upon 2h into f of x2 is nothing but x0 plus 2h. Okay, because interval of differencing is h. x0, x1, x2. This difference is h. This difference is h. So x2 is x0 plus 2h minus f of x0 plus h upon this is h. This is h. So upon h minus f of x0 plus h minus f of x0, okay, which is equals to 1 upon 2h. h into h is h square. In bracket, this is, here is f of x0 plus 2h minus 2 times f of x0 plus h minus f of x0, okay, which is equal to del square of f of x0 upon 2 factorial into h square. We know that this is the formula of del square of f of x0. We have already seen it. These two can be written as 2 factorial into h square. So this is a divided difference and this delta represents ordinary difference. So this is the differences between divided difference and this is the relation between divided difference and ordinary difference. Okay. In general, we can write down we have n divided difference for argument x1 and so on up to xn. This is equals to f of x0 comma x1 and so on up to xn, which is equals to in square bracket x0 comma and so on up to xn, which is equals to delta raised to n of f of x0 upon n factorial into h raised to n. This is the relation between divided difference and ordinary difference. Okay. Next we will see Newton's divided difference formula. Newton's divided difference formula. Newton's divided difference formula. And that formula is y is equals to f of x, which is equals to y0 plus x into x0, x minus x0 into first divided difference for x0 and x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 to second divided difference for x1 and x2 f of x0 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 plus into x minus x2 into third divided difference for x0, here is f of x0, x1 and so on, x1, x2, x3 here is, plus and so on, plus x minus x0 and so on up to x minus xn minus 1. Nth divided difference for x1 and so on up to xn f of x0. This is the Newton's divided difference formula. We have to solve problem on this based on this formula. Okay. Let us solve some examples. First example is find f of AB and f of A comma B comma C for first one is f of x is equal to x square. Second is f of x is equal to 1 upon x. Okay. See solution. In first problem, we have to find f of AB and f of ABC for f of x is equal to x square. Okay. F of AB. Instead of x0, x1, here we have given A and B. Okay. So don't be confused. F of A comma B is equal to f of B minus A upon f of A upon B minus A. What is f of x is x square. So f of B is B square minus f of A is A square upon B minus A. Expand this B square minus A square. This is nothing but B minus A into B plus A upon B minus A. Here B minus A get cancelled. So here only you will get B plus A. Similarly, f of C comma, f of B comma C. This is nothing but f of B minus f of C upon B minus C, which is equal to f of B is B square minus C square upon B minus C. So we will get B minus C into B plus C upon B minus C. Here B minus C get cancelled. So remains B plus C. Okay. Now we have to find f of A comma B comma C for this function, and its formula is f of B comma C minus f of A comma B upon C minus A. We have already discussed this formula. In formulas we have written x1, here is x1, x2, x3. So our formula is x2 comma x3. So here is f of B comma C minus x1 comma x2. Here is AB. So we will get f of A comma B upon C minus A. Okay. What is the f of BC? F of BC is B plus C. Okay. Minus f of AB is B minus A upon C minus A, which is equal to B plus, here B gets cancelled. So here remains C here is B plus A. So here we will get C minus A upon C minus A, which is equal to 1. F of ABC is equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, we can find out f of AB and f of ABC for f of x is equal to 1 upon x. Okay. First, here is 2. What is that? F of AB. F of AB is nothing but f of B minus f of A upon B minus A. F of B is 1 upon, here our function is f of x is equal to 1 upon x. So here we will get 1 upon B minus 1 upon A upon B minus A. Okay. So simplify this. You will get this is nothing but a minus b upon a into b upon b minus a, which is equals to minus b minus a upon, take minus sign common from this, upon ab into b minus a. B minus a get cancelled. So here minus a upon, minus 1 upon b. Next calculate similarly f of b comma c is equals to 1 upon, here f of ab minus 1 upon ab, so f of bc minus 1 upon bc. Okay. Now calculate f of a comma b comma c, which is equals to f of students, remember that here is only small f, there is also small f. Use small f for capital F. F of b comma c minus f of a comma b upon c minus a, which is equals to minus 1 upon bc plus 1 upon ab upon c minus a upon c minus a, okay, which is equals to minus a plus c upon abc upon c minus a, which is nothing but 1 upon abc. Let us take second example. Find the third divided difference. Find the third divided difference with argument 2, 4, 9, 10 of the function f of x is equals to x cube minus 2x. Okay, let's solution. You have to find third divided difference. So x, we require x, first divided operator, first divided difference. Next we have to calculate second divided difference, and last we have to calculate third divided difference. Okay, you have to given the values of x, means x0 is equals to 2, x1 is equals to 4, x2 is equals to 9, and x3 is equals to 10. Okay, for corresponding values of function are put 2x is equals to 2. In this equation you will get 2 cube is 8, minus 2 into 2 is 4. So here is 4. So you will get y0 is equals to 4. Similarly, put these remaining values, you will get y1 is equals to 56, y2 is equals to 711, and y3 is equals to 980. Okay. Now we have to calculate first divided difference. First divided difference, what is the formula for first divided difference? It is nothing but y0 minus y1 upon x0 minus x1. Means now you have to calculate first divided difference for these two values. So your formula is y0 minus, means 4 minus, here is y1 minus y0 upon x1 minus x0. So here is 56 minus 4 upon 4 minus 2 upon 4 minus 2. which is nothing but 56 minus 4 is 52 upon 2, which is equal to 26. Next is, now you have to calculate first divided difference for y2 and y1. So your formula becomes y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Put all the values and simplify. You will get answer 131. Next you have to calculate write this difference in between y2 and y1. Here is 131. Next one is, you have to calculate divided difference for first divided difference for y2 and y3. So your formula becomes y3 minus y2 upon x3 minus x1. So you will get 269. Okay. Here your answer is 26. Now we have to calculate second divided difference. Okay. For second divided difference, your formula for second divided difference for y0 and y2. Y0 and y1. Here you have to calculate second divided difference. So here is 131 minus 26. Here your formula becomes 131, means take difference of these two minus 26 upon, here remove this 4 upon 9 minus 2, which is equal to 50. Okay. Next you have to, next difference is 269 minus 131 upon, discard these two numbers and take difference from 10 to 10 minus 2, which is nothing but 23. Okay. Now we have to take third divided difference for this 23 minus 15 upon, here is 10 minus 4. Here is, remove these two numbers and you will get 10 minus 2. So your answer is 1. Okay. Hence third divided difference is 1. Third divided difference is, students, see here, up to this you have no any problem, but see here we have to calculate second divided difference for x0, x1, x2. So here is 131 minus 26 and your formula is x2 minus x0. So here is 9 minus 2. Next is, you have to calculate second divided difference for x1, x2, x3. So 269 minus 131 upon x3 minus x1. Okay. Next you have to calculate third divided difference. So your here 23 minus 15 upon, you have to calculate third divided difference for x0 and x3. So x3 minus x0, here is 10 minus 2. Okay. Okay, we will take one more example. using Newton's divided difference, formula, calculate the value of f of 6 from the following data. Okay. Data is x1 2 7 8 and values of y are 1 5 5 4. Okay. First we have to make the divided difference table. Divided difference table E. X y first divided difference, second divided difference and third divided difference. Okay. Values of x are 1 2 7 8. This is 1 5 5 4. Okay. First divided difference is 5 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. So it is 4. Next is 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 upon 7 minus 2 is 5. So here you will get 0. Next one is 4 minus 5 is minus 1. 8 minus 7 1. So minus 1 upon 1 is minus 1. Next is difference of these two means 4 upon difference of 7 minus 1 which is 6 and this is minus 4 because 0 minus which is minus 2 by 3. Okay, this is minus 2 by 3. Write down in between 4 and 0. Next one is minus 1 plus 0 upon 8 minus 2 is 6. This is minus 1 by 6. Okay. Next one is difference of minus 1 by 6 plus 2 by 3 upon 8 minus 1 is 7 which is nothing but minus 1 plus 4 upon 6 upon 7 which is nothing but 3 upon 6 upon 7 which is nothing but 1 by 2 upon 7 which is equal to 1 by 40. This is 1 by 14. Okay. Apply Newton's divided formula. Apply Newton's divided difference formula. What is that formula? Formula is f of x is equal to y0 plus x minus x0 into first divided difference of x1 and x0 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 second divided difference for x0 x1 comma x2 plus and so on up to plus x minus x0. Okay, here I will write one more term, x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into third divided difference for x0, x1 and so on, plus and so on, x minus x0 into x minus x1 and so on up to x minus xn into n divided difference for f of x0, x1, x2 and so on up to xn. Okay. Now put the values of, you will get f of x is equal to, this is the value of x0, this is y0, this is first difference, this is a first divided difference, next is, this is second divided difference and this is third divided difference. So put all these values, you will get here y0 is 1 plus x minus x0 is 1 into first divided difference is here 4, okay, plus x minus x0 is 1 into x minus x1 is 2 into second divided difference is minus 2 by 3 plus x minus x0, x minus 1, x minus 2 into x minus x2, x minus 7 into third divided difference is 1 by 40. Okay. You have to find out value of f of 6. So put here x is equal to 6, 1 plus 6 minus 1 into 4 plus 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 2 into minus 2 by 3 plus 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 2 into 6 minus 7 into 1 by 40. Simplify this, you will get answer 6.2381. This is the value of f of 6. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.